Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I just want to thank every single one of you who has subscribed to the channel. Keep supporting the channel by keep hitting that like button. Thank you so much. I wouldn't be here without you guys. Thank you for the support. With all that being said, let's hop in right into the plays. As you guys remember, Friday, September 8th, we purchased 20 SPY puts. Alright? Watch the video previously to this. We bought them and we actually sold them today for $1 a piece. We bought them for $1 a piece. On Monday, Theta devalued the contracts and we averaged down a little bit and we bought 9 more contracts and we actually sold today at $29 a contract. Did make a small profit. Wasn't the major catalyst that happened today. What was major today is Apple. We bought Apple calls today right about this time right here. Right after we sold the SPY puts, which was around 10 o'clock in the morning. And if you guys notice, Apple trended up. Now, why did Apple trend up? Well, Apple released some news. They had a press conference regarding the new products, and I think it was phenomenal. The iPhone 11 Pro, or they keep throwing these tongue twisters at me, but anyways, the presentation was awesome. We took advantage of it, and we bought actually some plays here. So basically, we bought 10 contracts at $293 a piece, and we sold them for $395 a piece. Do the math. We made $1,000 right there, and this kind of explains where we're at today. We basically doubled the value of the portfolio in a matter of 2 days. Where again, the goal is to make this into a $100,000 account and then $1 million account. And basically, at $4,000, we're at 4% of our objection to $1 million. Now, this is going to happen, guys. I believe it. Wait a minute, that can't be right. 4%, that's at $100,000. Man, I'm not even close. I apologize, guys. My math is not that great today. But with all that being said, guys, I wanted to update you guys. We're at $4,000 now. And again, like I said, keep going to count. This is actually cash positive, cash only. We're not holding any equity as of right now. We sold out exactly. The funny thing is, if we actually go into this Apple play here, that we did. We actually we bought this at 10:17 a.m. and we sold it at 3:59, right at the close. I nailed it. I basically bought these contracts at the lowest, sold them at the highest. Again, how did I do that? Experience. Again, this is not a training course. I am going to make some training quality videos of how I find the right stocks, how I trade them, why I trade them. But again, for the purpose of this documentary is basically I'm growing this account from $2,000 to $1 million, and we're hitting milestones step by step by step. Again, starting off, took some high risks here. Any seasoned trader will tell you right now, hey man, you just invested 100% of your capital into one equity that can expire worthless tomorrow. Well, yes, that is true, but $2,000 is not my whole entire equity. Again, we're doing an experiment here. I will grow this account to $1 million, and I want every one of you to join me at this journey of me doing it. But again, I want to thank you guys again, and I'll see you next time.